Malaysia is cheap. Pakistan expensive.
Oh, really?
Is here in Pakistan 240 rupees
Oh. Okay.
and no pure mix. Water and milk mix.
You know, in Pakistan,
Everything mix. Everything
Oh, I
mix.
thought it's
Very very good questions. She said Pakistan is a Muslim country and they mixing in milk. What? Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Okay.
We have no option.
Okay.
Just pray for Pakistanis, please. And take all Pakistanis, my girls and boys. They,
To Malaysia.
Yeah, here is no future. Pakistan
Zindabad,
Zindabad.
Pakistan.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Zindabad, Pakistan.
Zindabad Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
What's your name?
Khalila, Abdul Khalil.
Halila from Malaysia.
Yes, from Malaysia.
Okay. College or university you represent?
From UITM, University Technology Mara, Malaysia. Yeah, located in Shah Alam.
Shah Alam.
Selangor.
Oh, okay.
It's a client very near to KL, Kuala Lumpur.
Where your campus located? Main campus in
Main
Malaysia.
campus in Shah Alam, just a few kilometers from Kuala Lumpur, the capital letter of Malaysia.
Okay. So how many courses your universities?
Okay, we have about 200 over programs, yeah. And actually UITM, University Technology Mara, is one of the largest university in Malaysia.
In Malaysia?
Yeah. We have a lot of branches, yeah. We have from north region until south region. So we have around Malaysia.
Your university offering a scholarship?
Not really 100% scholarship.
Yeah, no,
but-
no 100%.
No, not 100%.
50%?
No, it's based on application.
Or
Yeah.
depend on the application?
Yes, depends on the application, and they have to fill up some of the requirements.
How much is the annual fees?
It depends on the program,
Oh,
but
depend.
depends on the program. but the
Undergraduate
range-
program 1 year and
We are focusing on the postgraduate program for
Okay.
master and PhD program. So basically, our fee is quite reasonable. It's around about 10,000 ringgit Malaysia until about
10,000 ringgit.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the whole throughout semester.
okay.
Yeah. Until about 60,000. Yeah.
60,000 ringgit.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long is a master in Malaysia? How long duration?
Basically,
1 year, 2 years?
It depends on the program again.
Master-
but
master program.
master program. They some of the program they have like 1 year program, the shortest, and basically we have like 3 semester until 4 semester, meaning that 2 years is the maximum.
2 years.
for the master
Maximum 2
program.
years? Or some program is 1 year?
Yes.
Okay. So what about the living expenses?
Well,
Malaysia.
living expenses in Malaysia, we can say that slightly expensive.
Slightly expensive compared to Pakistan. Pakistan is too expensive.
Really?
Yeah. How much is a 1 liter milk over there?
1 liter is about 1 liter fresh, not really fresh, a carton.
Yeah.
Carton is about about 8 ringgit per.
How much?
1 liter, 8 ringgit.
8 ringgit.
Yeah, 8 ringgit
8
convert
ringgit
to
and 1 ringgit. How much is a Pakistani rupees?
1 ringgit, 100 rupee is 1 ringgit and 50 cent. 100 rupee PKR equivalent
okay.
to 1 ringgit 50 cent.
Oh, is it expensive? 8 ringgit.
Yeah.
For how many? How much? How many liter?
1 to 5 liter. 1 to 5 liter.
1 to 5 liter.
Carton, yeah.
5 or gallon?
The carton one.
Oh, 5 liter. 5 liter, 8 ringgit. So means 800 रुपए. यहाँ तो 8 लीटर, यहाँ तो 5 लीटर 1000 रुपए. Malaysia सस्ता है. Malaysia is cheap. Pakistan expensive.
Oh, really?
Is here in Pakistan 240 rupees
Oh. Okay.
and no pure mix. Water and milk mix.
You know, in Pakistan,
Everything mix. Everything
I
mix.
thought it's pure
Everything.
industrial.
Very very good questions. She said Pakistan is a Muslim country and they mixing in milk. What? Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Okay.
We have no option.
Okay.
Just pray for Pakistanis, please. And take all Pakistanis, my girls and boys. They.
To Malaysia.
Yeah, here is no future. Pakistan
Zindabad,
Zindabad.
Pakistan.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Zindabad, Pakistan.
Zindabad Pakistan.